Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is foreign direct investment. It is an investment made by a firm or an individual in one country into a business located in another country. FDI frequently involves more than just a capital investment. It may include provisions of management and technology. There are several ways of making FDI. They are creating a joint venture, mergers and acquisitions, or by establishing a subsidiary company. For example, Walmart acquired 77% stake in Flipkart. Now, let us see some of the factors that influence FDI. They are economic factors like strength of economy, GDP, infrastructure, inflation levels, and forex. Next, political factors like political stability, track record, etc. Incentives for foreign investors like taxation levels, tax incentives, etc. And some of the other factors are education and skills of labor force, business opportunities, and local competition. Now let us see differences between FDI and FPI. FDI is an investment through capital instruments by a person resident outside India in an unlisted company or 10% or more of listed Indian company. Whereas FPI is where such investment is less than 10% of listed Indian company. Also, FPIs do not actively involve in day-to-day operations and strategic plans of domestic companies, even if they have controlling interest in them. FDI is much more stable than FPI and signals long-lasting commitment. Often FPI is referred as hot money because of its tendency to flee at the first signs of trouble in an economy. These massive portfolio outflows can exacerbate economic problems during periods of uncertainty. For example, East Asian crisis 1997. FDI investors invest in both financial and non-financial assets, whereas FPI invests only in financial assets. For an economy as a whole, FDI creates productive assets like machinery, skill and superior technology, and investment in factories, whereas FPI does not aid any productive asset creation directly. It is just a financial investment. In India, there are two routes of FDI. One is automatic and the other is government route. In automatic route, the foreign entity does not require the prior approval of government or RBI. Under government route, the foreign entity should compulsorily take approval of government. It should file an application through Foreign Investment Facilitation Portal. This application is then forwarded to respective ministry or department, which then approves or rejects the application after consultation with Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Now let us see a question based on this. Consider the following statements. FPI can maximum invest 10% in an Indian company. Second statement number 2. When foreign investment in an Indian company is more than 10%, it is treated as FDI. As discussed earlier, both the statements are true. So the answer is C, both 1 and 2. Thank you.